This standard is ARCH.7.N.S.A.2.D.7.2h. The learning target is I can convert between fraction, decimal, and percentage format. So starting with fraction to decimal. Here you see an example of a fraction to a decimal. And the directions basically say divide the numerator by denominator. So on your calculator, 1 divided by 2 will give you a decimal answer. Also, you can use this process of the division box that we learned how to place the decimal point and create zeros. The second conversion is from fraction to percent. So in this example, we went from the fraction to the decimal first and then to the percent, because there are two steps here. First, you divide the numerator by the denominator to get this solution. Step 2, move the decimal to the right 2 places and attach a percent sign. So the percent sign accounts for moving the decimal place, and those two steps always go together, because we're not changing the value of the number, we're just changing the way we're expressing it. The third conversion is decimal to fraction. So as you see, the decimal became a fraction and then we reduced it. So first you put digits in the numerator, so the digits here, or there's only one digit, goes in the numerator. Put the place value in the denominator, so that's the tenths place, and then reduce to lowest terms. So since 5 and 10 are both divisible by 5, you can reduce the fraction to 1/2. The next conversion is decimal to percent. In this example, you see we went directly from the decimal to the percent. You will move the decimal right 2 places and attach a percent sign. The fourth conversion is from percent to fraction. So we have a percent, and then we went to the decimal before we went to the fraction, because step 1 says move the decimal left 2 places and eliminate the percent sign. So when you're getting rid of a percent or converting a percent, you need to get rid of the percent sign and move the decimal to the left 2 places. So 0.5 becomes 5/10, which again can be reduced. And finally, converting from percent to decimal, we look at our 50% here and see that you merely need to move the decimal left 2 places and eliminate the percent sign. And that concludes this lesson on converting.